scrap gauge is going to be all lost. Did you save it? Did you save it? I already did, but unless you click. What's the matter?
Come on, come here.
Check. Mama wants to see too.
Audrey.
You're doing a really good job, dude. You're freaking me the hell out.
She's freaking everybody out. Yeah. Oh God, she's going into the other room.
Bye now. Close the basement door.
Close the basement door. Very close up. She just wants playing with the magnets. She can't stick it back on the fridge. We'll turn the light on for you. Turn it on. Audrey, up here. Okay, sure.
You come on. Okay, Audrey, come here. Come back now. Audrey. Audrey. Come on.
Hi. Come on.
Come on, baby.
You gotta go.
Yeah, come on. Here. Here's your Ellie.
Are you sure?
Audrey.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Audrey, we wanted to come back this way. Audrey.
Come on, Izzy.
This one?
Audrey, come on.
Come back and see Mama. That's a lot of work, dude. You should do this.
Let's do it. What are you doing? Bye-bye. Okay. See you later. Are you going to go back? Okay.
You gonna come get you Ellie?
No, she's gonna come get a car. Fine, get her Ellie. Oh God. Eve, seriously?
Excuse me.
Sitting on the floor, don't you?
W.
XZ.
Don't. She's too little.
ZYXWDUTSRQPONMLKJIHGF
Baby?
I know easy.
Can we
EDCBA.
watch the baby, actually? Because she's Mom.
Ab.
1, 2, skip a few, 99, 100.
We done.